All right, so this one is right in time for Child Month. Hold on a second. Can you get up a shot with everything here, sir, Richard? We want to just beat up the second man here right out. Hold on. Good. So you put it down so hard. Can you please take him back, my man? Please. Thank you very much. You cannot do that on television. All right, so the 2019 CARIFTA Junior Chess Championships came to an end on Easter Monday in Curacao, with Jamaica taking home the gold for top country after 7 rounds over 4 days. With me now are 2 of the team members, Jaden Shaw, who just lost to me a while ago, Rihanna Brown, who don't speak, and their coach, Michael Solomon. Oh, she smiles, but she doesn't speak. Do you, Rihanna?
Yes, I do.
Oh, she does. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Congrats, Jaden. Congrats, Rihanna. And congrats, Coach. CARIFTA, everybody, just like CARIFTA swimming, CARIFTA track and field, it's our region we're talking about here.
Right.
Do we have to qualify for this, or because we're in the region, we can automatically enter?
Jamaica can always enter.
As being a member of CARICOM, you can enter
right.
the CARIFTA Games.
Okay, how many went?
Well, from Jamaica, we had 13 players from Jamaica.
How many countries?
A total of 13 countries from the region.
So when we say gold, we beat everybody in the 13?
Well, the points are accumulated over the 7 rounds based on the performance of each player in each section. So at the end of the 7 rounds, then the points are amassed, and then, yes, at the back end, we came out victorious.
You represented the country at a younger level also?
Well, trust me, I did, but not at these guys' level. We went to a tournament probably in the States, you know, and the Orange Bowl, but these guys are doing at the top level. These are the real creme de la creme.
Jaden, morning again. How old are you?
11 years old.
11 years old. How long you been playing chess?
About 4 years.
So from 7 years old. Why? Why did you get involved in chess?
I found it interesting.
Yeah?
Found it fun. Found it a good opportunity to get a hobby.
Oh, you smile, Jaden?
Yes, sir.
Oh, there you go, Jay. Oh, smile. Rihanna, good morning.
Good morning.
How old are you?
I'm 13.
13. You go to Campion College.
Yeah.
How long did you start to play chess?
I started from when I was 7, which means 7 years.
7 years. Fantastic. Why? What about chess that you like?
I was bored. And my sister
You were
played
bored?
chess. So I started to play it just to annoy her.
Hold on, man. I don't know if you hear what she said. She said she was bored. Her sister played, so she just wanted to annoy her sister. But you love it now.
Yes, I do.
Why? What does it do for you? I hear it's a mental game. What does it do for you?
It's very exciting, and
Chess is exciting. That is exciting.
I mean, into the game, it can get really exciting.
Yeah.
For those who play the game seriously, for others, not as much.
How many games did you play at CARIFTA?
7.
How many did you win? All 7?
No, 6.
So why you lose one, please?
She lost to her teammate.
What you said, Jaden?
She lost to her teammate.
Oh, you lost to another Jamaican?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. That age group would be what? How are the age groups separated?
I'm under 12 absolute.
Under 12 absolute? The absolute means?
Absolute means that both male and female can play in that section.
Okay, so
Right.
under 12 absolute. And you won that section? How many games did you play?
7,
How many did you win?
6, and drew 1.
Oh, you drew 1. So you can draw?
Yes,
I didn't know that.
yes, you get a half point for a draw, 1 point for a win.
Okay.
0, of course, if you lose.
And your age group would be
Under 16 female.
under 16.
Yes.
Ladies only.
Yes.
Okay. Why this is, what kind of training? What's training like, Coach?
All right, training is rigorous. Many persons just look at chess and say, okay, you're just moving pieces on the board. But training is a total transformation of the mind, how you think, how you discipline yourself, how you restrain yourself. So when training, you have to do long hours of calculation, which is to think ahead. This
What do you mean by, explain that.
Well, in essence, it is forward planning. This is why chess in itself develops forward planning in juniors, in players.
Was formal planning in the game or just formal planning?
Well, it develops, chess can then be, the rudiments that you learn in chess can actually be used in live situations. That's why they say chess is life.
Okay.
So when you sit at the board, you're actually planning ahead how to conquer your opponent's territory, right?
Okay.
Any mistake, you lose the game, right?
Okay.
And so you are thinking ahead. You have to think 1 move, 2 move, 3 moves, sometimes up to 10, 15 moves ahead, which is not easy, right? And you have to now work with what your opponent has on the board and look at all the avenues.
Okay, so just now, when I did that, and Jaden, what did you do? You do it again? Before I move again, I have to be thinking that what his next
Right,
move might
you have to
be.
preempt his next move and then come up with a plan, a solution. What if he does this? Then my plan is this. What if he does that? My plan is this. So, and because there are so many pieces on the board, mathematically speaking, it takes a lot to actually plan ahead because of the different variations.
And training would be what? 3 hours, 4 hour day?
It's a daily routine because, as I said, like in any sport, you have to take time in order to get the mind.
You are a
working.
master.
Yes.
A Jamaican master.
Yes.
And I say Jamaican master because you're not considered a master right across the world, or no?
Right. There's a title called a national master, which is the highest local title.
Which you are.
Right. Of course, you have international titles now, which go beyond the borders of Jamaica. For example, like in FIDE Master, which FIDE is the world governing body for chess.
But if you go to the United States, you would be considered a master?
I would consider an international master, right?
Okay.
In a sense, masters are recognized in their own borders, of course. Right. So each country, especially the United States, all countries have their own local masters.
So you would have to beat the people in foreign to become a grandmaster?
Well, pretty much. Pretty much.
Rihanna, how far you want to take this? You still bored?
No.
You're not bored anymore. So how far you want to take this, or this is just a little hobby thing for you?
I want to become a grandmaster, so
You want to become a grandmaster?
yes.
What's your favorite subject right now?
Mathematics.
Apart from being a grandmaster, what else you want to become in life?
I want to become a doctor.
Oh. So math helps you with this, or this helps you with math?
This helps me with math.
Seriously?
Yes.
Yes, it does.
Fantastic. Jaden, what about
sir.
you? Jaden, you look troublesome still. Jaden, give trouble, coach.
Trust me. I've never been told. But it's a cool kid. Trust me.
Jaden, you give trouble, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you do? You actually say yes. What's your favorite subject?
Social studies,
Social studies. What school do you go to right now?
St. Andrew Prep.
St. Andrew Prep. And what do you want to be when you grow up?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet. You just want to give some more trouble right now.
No, sir.
No? What about this? How far are you going to take this? Is this just fun right now?
I want to be a grandmaster.
You want to be a grandmaster? Fantastic. You do is this a sport or a game?
Well, it's actually recognized by the International Olympic Committee as a sport. Yes.
Is that a game?
It is and that's why we are blessed to know that chess is actually, yes, a game, but yes, a sport. Can't beat that.
You do any other sport, games?
I do swimming and tennis.
Swimming and tennis. What about you?
Football and basketball.
Football?
And basketball.
Too short. Let's see what you want. Yeah, let's see what you want. We have to go to the news now, so congrats. Let's hold up your, so we could see what they want. From the winning CARIFTA chess team, Jaden Shaw beside us, who gives trouble, Rihanna Brown, who's going to be a doctor, and their coach, Mikhail Solomon, who doesn't want to be a grandmaster, but is a national master. Great to see you. Congrats, and tell the team congrats for me.
Congratulations.
And have fun at school. News in 5 when we come back. Stay with us, please.